Welcome, explorers. I'm Mrs. John.
Hello, Pocky. Do you have an egg for me today? Thanks, Pocky. What's inside? Oh, it's an eraser. It's a really old eraser. And do you know who this is? It's a character from a book named Clifford, the big red dog, but he's really tiny. He started out tiny and then he grew big because Emily Elizabeth loved him so much. It's fun. Today let's do a puzzle, an app play. Here's one that I've done. And let's do a puzzle. Let's do this puzzle here. It's 49 pieces. There, it's all done. It says, "Kiss Mr. Nook." And it's a cross stitch that I made a long time ago.
Did you find my baby chick hiding in this video? Thank you for visiting me in my kitchen today. Please come back soon. Subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. Please press the like button below this video and share with your friends. Have a lovely day.